got to do something about that. I don't know how you see anything.
It's been rough. I got pulled over because of it.
Hey guys, welcome back to the Project DIY channel. On today's project, I'm going to take care of a problem that my wife has been after me for a while now. Let's get started. So Shonda was telling me the other day that she was driving around in a larger city, someplace where she wasn't used to driving, and she had some problems. She couldn't see. She says she got pulled over because of that. I'm not sure if I believe that, but anyway, we need to take care of this problem. So right here is the main issue. These headlights on this 2016 Camry are really faded and dim and yellow. The passenger side especially is really bad. Driver's side's not as bad, but it needs to be taken care of also. So I'm going to buff these headlights out using this Headlight restoration kit from Meguiar's. I've used this before on another vehicle, and I'll link that up in the top right hand corner to that video. I kind of went into detail on how to use this. I won't go into detail on this part of the video on this, but I'll kind of give you an overview of what I'm doing, and then we'll go from there. The second thing we're going to do is install this LED light kit from Auxito. Now what this kit does is it replaces the standard 9005 halogen headlights in this car with LED lights, and these are supposed to be really nice and bright, and hopefully that'll take care of most of our problem. So I'll leave a link in the description to these headlights, and you'll need to go on the website and find the one that's for your particular vehicle. This one is specifically to replace the headlight bulbs on my 2016 Camry. All right, let's get started cleaning up these ugly headlights. Alright, I'd say that's not perfect, but it's definitely much better than it was compared to the driver's side. Oh yeah, that's much better. Now let's get these LED lights put in. All right, to get your old headlights out, you're gonna look down here in the front. It's not the projector, it's this bulb. Go straight in behind. And you'll see where the bulb plugs in at. Turn it, pull it out, and then unplug it. Same thing on the driver's side, not the projector. The other bulb right here, right straight behind it. You might be upside down here, but anyway, it's right there. Turn it, pull it out, unplug it. Now to put your new bulbs in, these go in the same way the old ones came out. Push them in the hole, twist it, and then you plug these into your wiring harness. Same thing on the driver's side. Put it in the hole where the old one came out. And then plug it into your wiring harness. And if you look real close, you can see the LED bulb that's in there. All right, guys, it's daylight right now. As soon as it gets dark, we'll go out down the road, test these, and see how they do. All right, so cleaning your lenses definitely helped. You agree?
Yes, I did. I mean, I do.
All right, go ahead and turn your brights on. Whoa.
Oh, yeah. I love it.
Wow. That's incredibly bright.
Oh, that looks really dim now. Those are amazing. I might just use my bright lights all the time now.
You'll have to make sure you dim your lights because them suckers will pierce somebody's eyeballs. See several miles down the road.
So much better. Can't see.
Nobody
can see.
Nobody else can see.
Maybe we should get the LED lights from the other headlights.
I'll have to check into that.
Because that's unacceptable.
Better than it was, but it's still
I believe it is better than it was.
Still a little dim, seems like.
But maybe it's just when we're comparing it to this.
Yeah. Success?
Yes.
Awesome.
Love it.
Awesome. All right, guys, I appreciate you so much watching my video, and I sure would appreciate it a whole lot if you go down there in the comments and leave a comment. Let me know what you think. That helps my channel out when I have interaction. So leave me a comment. If you decide you want to put these lights in your car, come down and let me know in the comments. Ask me any questions, and then I think you probably should hit the like button if you like the video. If you don't worry about it. But if you like the video, hit that like button. I'd appreciate that too. And I think after you do all that, the next thing you should do is watch this video.